Hello everyone. In this tutorial series, I am going to make simple third person game and I plan to make custom third person player character using Mixamo characters and Mixamo animations. First of all, I'm going to make new blank project using Unreal Engine. First, open Unreal Engine project browser using your Unreal Engine exe, and I choose blank project type. This blank project type means in your project folder you have nothing. You can see some of default Unreal Engine templates such as first person, third person, vehicle, advanced vehicle, etc. So these are Unreal Engine default pre-made templates. So you can customize these templates also. If you are planning to make a third person game, you can choose this third person template and customize or modify this template what you really want to do. But now this video tutorial series, I'm going to make everything at scratch and using blank project. That means I'm going to make everything A to Z. I did not choose this third person template mode. Okay, I select this blank project type, desktop console. I use maximum quality. You can select maximum quality or scalable 3D or 2D. This means graphic quality of your project. And I don't use starter content. If you plan to get Unreal Engine starter content such as materials, textures, etc., you can select this starter content. But at now, uh, I do not use starter content. Select folder path of your project and project name. And create project. Okay, it will load your Unreal Engine project. So this is the first interface of Unreal Engine. This is viewport, and there is menu bar, and there is some control buttons, and this is our project content browser. That means all the files and folders we are working with our project you can see in this section. If you click this button, you can see a content folder. So this is the very first folder when you create your very first project. I will show you where your project save in your hard disk. If you right click and click show in Explorer, it will go to your project path and you can see in content folder. So this is the folder we work in our project. If we import some files to our project, it will automatically go to the content folder. Okay, now if you play this default level, you can move like this, but you can see there is no any player uh, in our video series. We want to make third person player character, so we have to make our own player character. So we need third person player model and third person player character animations. So I use Mixamo website to get my characters. So you can search in mixamo.com in Google, or directly go to the website and log in, and this section, go to the characters, and you can select pre-made character. I'm using this character now, so I need to download this character. Click here, download, T-pose, download. I download this to my desktop folder. Okay, download. Then I need some basic animations. So let's see, in your game, your third person player character have basic two state. That means first, the player doesn't move, that means he is in idle. So we need idle animation. When we press our arrow keys or WASD inputs, we want to move our player forward, right, left and backward. So that means we need to walk our player, so we need walk animations too. And if you want to run or sprint your player, you need to get run or sprint animations too. So basic step, I download these basic animations by this animation tab. You can easily select which animations do you need. First I get idle animation by searching here. Alright, if you search here idle, you can see some of idle animations. So you can select idle animation what you need. So in this case I am going to use this animation. Click here, then it will automatically apply to your character like this, and I download it now. So this string, we should select this skin option to without skin and download. That means If we select with skin, it will automatically download with our character, but we already download our character, so we don't need our character, we don't only animation. So that's the case why we select without skin. Alright, I downloaded idle animation, so now I need walk animation. There is some walk animations too. I select uh, this walking animation, and special thing here, Mixamo animations, when we get our animations using Mixamo website, like walking, running, uh, such as movement animations, we need to tick this in place option. That means we do not move our character, only play the animation. So you can see we do not move our character forward, but it will play our walk animation. So that's very important thing. And download without skin. uh, I download run animation also. So my basic play character has idle state, walk state, and run state. So you can see so many of run animations here. I will select uh, this run animation. Like before, we need to in place this animation too, because this also has a movement in animation, so we do not need movement of that animation, we only need animation. So that's the case, that's the reason why we tick this in place. Okay, now I downloaded all the things what I need. So now I need to import these assets to my Unreal Engine project. So first I'm going to this content folder and make new folder named character. Okay, in this folder I will make new mesh and animations. So we need to import our character model first before the animations. So I'm going to this mesh folder and I will drag this character model file to this content browser. And this uh, we need to pay attention to these options. We need to tick this skeletal mesh option and import mesh option. Other things are default, and import all. Okay, you can see it will import all the things of your character. It will import three materials and all the textures and some of these files. Okay, it will take some time to compile shaders. Okay, no problem. uh, I will save these files. All right, so now I imported my player model, and you can see there is three special files. It's like pink color file, blue yellow color file, and a file something like this. So these three files are very important when you import your mesh. These files are the skeletal mesh files. You can see there is something going wrong in materials. The character is very strange, but we can solve this later. This is skeletal mesh file. This is my character's skeleton. You can see there is bone set of my character, and this is physical asset. These three files uh, these three files will represent our player character skeleton mesh. Okay, now we are going to import our animations. These three animation I will drag and drop into our animations folder. In this option panel, I need to select my imported skeleton like this. This is the skeleton which I imported earlier. The other things are default and import all. Alright, it will import your three animations. I will run in and working. I will save this. If you open your idle animation like this, it will show your animation like this and running and working. Okay, now I will show you how to fix this material problem. You can see our character is not working, our character's materials not working correctly. So you can see transparent here. So how to fix this? First you go to the mesh folder and open your body material like this. This is your body mat material. By default, Unreal Engine sometimes it will not recognize these options, these textures. So that's the reason the materials doesn't work properly. So now it's very easy to fix. You need to select this translucent type to opaque type and save. Okay, now you can see that material works properly. And also we need to change bottom mat material also. This, select this node and select blend mode to opaque and save it. Okay, you can see that material also work properly now. There's something to tell you. You can see now our characters material work properly. uh, if we open our hair material, we don't need to select this material type to opaque, because in hair you can see we don't need to show all of the textures of this material, because hair has some parts transparent. So we do not need to change this plane type. And if you select other character, I use this character. If you select any other character, these material slots can be changed. In Remy character, these are the materials, but if you select other character, it can be changed. But if that character also uh, can be face this problem, you can solve that using these materials blend mode. All right, uh, in this video tutorial I will stop here, and next part of this tutorial I will show you how to implement our character to play. I only import these animations and models to our project. In the next part, I will show you how to develop, how to implement our player character. So thank you for watching this video, and I will give all the tutorial, and I will make tutorial series for this work. And subscribe, like. If you have any doubt about this, you can comment it below. I will surely answer your problems. Thank you.